ginagamit. The triangular bandage is used to hold the dressing and of course to cover the injury. Just in case if the injury is on the top of the head. So if you're going to do bandaging, do it open face. Because this bandage is too large, you have to fold it to make it smaller. 1 or 3 fold lang. Okay. So if the injury is here, we're going to cover the entire head, first thing. And this is what you call the top of the head. Yeah, the top of the head of the injury. We're going to cover it. Okay, ito na yung ginawa mong fold. And then, pasok ito pagkakagawa. Okay. Then, we're going to cover in here. Okay, and then make it.
Parang ano, sir, parang Arabo.
Because you're folding now. Then fold it. Okay? Making sure na even the ear is covered. Okay? Again. Here. When you right over left. Ano pa rin? Sorry. So this is the reason why you are right over there. Cover lang naman siya. And left over right. Then insert lang yung mga sabag-sabag. Cover nyo lang naman siya to open dressing ng cover. Start of the head.
Hindi ka magsaka ka na.
Yun lang naman yung ano niya, ang mga buwan niya is to cover the head of the injury. So that is top of the head. Okay, ito rin lang, that's what we see. What's next? Top of the head.